Welcome. Today, we are going to explore a fundamental property of parallelograms, the relationship between their opposite angles. Specifically, we will understand why opposite angles are congruent, meaning they have the same measure. First, let's quickly review what a parallelogram is. A parallelogram is a four-sided figure, also known as a quadrilateral. The defining feature of a parallelogram is that its opposite sides are parallel to each other. This simple rule gives parallelograms some very interesting properties. Inside any parallelogram, there are four angles. The angles that are directly across from each other are called opposite angles. In our diagram, angle A is opposite to angle C, and angle B is opposite to angle D. There are two pairs of opposite angles. Here is the most important rule to remember for this lesson. In any parallelogram, opposite angles are congruent. Congruent is a geometry term that simply means they are equal. They have the exact same measure in degrees. Let's see this in action. If we know that one angle in a parallelogram is 120 degrees, then the angle directly opposite to it must also be 120 degrees. They are always equal. This property applies to the other pair of opposite angles as well. If we measure one of the other angles and find that it is 60 degrees, then its opposite angle is also guaranteed to be 60 degrees. Both pairs of opposite angles are always congruent. Now, what about angles that are next to each other, which we call adjacent angles? In a parallelogram, adjacent angles are supplementary. This means that when you add their measures together, they always sum up to 180 degrees. For example, 120 degrees plus 60 degrees equals 180 degrees. So let's quickly summarize what we have learned. First, opposite angles in a parallelogram are always congruent or equal. Second, every parallelogram has two pairs of these congruent opposite angles. And third, angles that are adjacent or next to each other always add up to 180 degrees. Congratulations! You now understand a very important property of parallelograms. Knowing that opposite angles are congruent is a foundational concept in geometry that will help you solve many different types of problems.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.